Hello students. So today we are going to discuss briefly this week's syllabus. So then first one is periodic properties. So what are periodic properties? The properties of the elements. Periodic properties are repeated at a regular intervals. The properties of the elements are repeated at a regular intervals is called periodic properties. So generally atomic size, ionization potential, electronegativity, electropositivity, valency, these are all the periodic properties. But density and boiling and melting points are not periodic properties. Okay. So first one is atomic radius or atomic size. Okay. First one is atomic. What is a atomic radius, atomic size or radius, atomic size or radius, it is the first factor. So it is the first periodic properties of the element. Okay, atomic radius. What is atomic radius? Simply the distance between center of the nucleus to the outermost shell. The center of the nucleus to the outermost shell. So for example, let us consider an atom. It is a nucleus. So it is the first orbit like that. So now the distance between center of the nucleus and outermost shell. So it is a nucleus and it is outermost shell. It is the radius. But it is the radius. So for example, let us consider it is nucleus. It is first orbit and it is the second orbit. So now the distance between center of the nucleus to the outermost shell. So now it is the radius. What is the radius? If number of orbits increases, radius also what happens? Increases. Radius also increases. Okay. So atomic radius means the distance between center of the nucleus to the outermost shell is called atomic radius or atomic size. So generally it is expressed in terms of angstroms, centimeters, meters, nanometers, picometers and millimicrons. So these are the units of atomic radius: angstroms, centimeters, meters, nanometers, picometers and micrometers, millimicrons or micrometers, millimicrons. So now generally atomic radius is classified into three types based on nature of bonding. Okay, based on nature of bonding, atomic radius three types. So what are three types? So first one is what is crystal radius. What is first one is crystal radius. It is the crystal radius. So second one is covalent radius. Second one is covalent radius. So third one is van der Waals radius. That is van der Waals radius. So simply crystal radius or covalent radius or van der Waals radius, it means half of the internuclear distance between center of the nucleus to the outermost. It is the half of internuclear distance. What is internuclear distance? What is internuclear distance is called crystal radius, covalent radius, same as van der Waals radius. But some exceptions are there. Actually, crystal radius, it is present in metals. Mainly it is present in metals. So it is also known as metallic radius. It is a metallic radius. So metallic radius, for example, sodium is a metal. What is sodium is a metal. What is magnesium also, it is a metal, like that. Metallic radius. So then covalent radius is present in non-metals. Okay, non-metals. So it is also known as non-metallic radius. Non-metallic radius. So non-metallic radius, for example, Cl2. What is an example is a Cl2. What is a Cl2? For example, Br2. Actually, in covalent radius, two atoms are held by covalent bond. Held by covalent bond. But in crystal radius, two metals are present adjacent side. Adjacent means side, adjacent side. So then next one is van der Waal radius. Van der Waal radius is also known as non-bonded molecular radius. What is non-bonded? Non-bonded molecular radius. Non-bonded molecular radius. Actually, this type of van der Waal radius, most of the cases it is present in noble gases. What is a noble gases? So it is noble gases. So these are the three types of atomic radius based on nature of bonding. Nature of bonding. Crystal, covalent, van der Waal. Crystal is metallic radius. Covalent is non-metallic radius. Van der Waal is the non-bonded molecular radius. It is present in noble gases. What is a noble gases? Now the order of these radius. Order of these radius. So order is. So first one is crystal radius. Crystal radius. Okay. Crystal radius is greater than, it one radius order is, it is a van der Waal radius. What is van der Waal radius is greater than crystal radius. Crystal radius is greater than covalent radius. What is a covalent radius? Van der Waal radius is greater than crystal radius is greater than covalent radius. Actually, van der Waal radius is equal to 1.4 times greater than covalent radius. 1.4 times greater than covalent radius. It is simply radius, nature and bonding. So now next one is generally ionic radius. So next one is ion radius. What is a ion? Ion means the neutral atom lose of electron to get partially positive charge, that is cation. Neutral atom gain of electron to get partially negative charge, that is the anion. What is an anion? So for example, it is neutral atom. What is a neutral? What is a neutral atom? Okay, neutral atom. Simply it is denoted with M or X, anyone. Okay. So now neutral atom lose of electron. What is a lose of electron? Lose of electron to get partially positive charge. To get what is partially positive charge, it is the M plus. If neutral atom gain of electron, what is it is the gain of electron. What is the gain of electron? To get partially negative charge, it is M minus. M minus. So now order. What is the order of these ions? So then it is the negative ion is greater than neutral is greater than positive. Okay. Negative is greater than neutral is greater than positive. Okay. So then if negative value increases, what is negative value increases, size or radius, what happens to increases. If positive charge, what is a positive charge increases, size will be decreases. Size will be decreases. Okay. So now it is the size. Negative charge increases, size or radius increases. Positive charge increases, size or radius what happens? Decreases. So size is decreases. Okay, size is decreases. So for example, it is explained with one suitable example. For example, Cl minus is greater than Cl is greater than Cl plus. So Cl minus anion, Cl neutral, Cl plus, it is the cation. What is the cation? So same as another examples like that. What is, it is the Na minus is greater than Na is greater than what is Na plus, like that. Okay. So this is the radius or size of cations and anions. Now next one is radius or size of isoelectronic species. What is isoelectronic? What is isoelectronic species? Isoelectronic ions. Isoelectronic ions. So what is isoelectronic ions? The ions which having same number of electrons, or the species which having same number of electrons. What is same number of electrons is called isoelectronic species. For example, carbon -4, nitrogen -3, oxygen -2, fluorine -1, neon, sodium +1, magnesium +2, aluminium +3, like that. Okay. So generally it is 4 atomic number, 4, carbon is 6.